1970, and today I'm going to be going over all the repairs that I had done to the KHS Elite 800 road bike that I got from a friend of mine. So let's go over what's been done to it so far. Okay, we'll start from up here at the handlebars. If you didn't see my other video on this bike, the handlebars were bent, but they were a smaller diameter handlebar that is hard to obtain, so I went with a larger handlebar, and these are by, probably gonna say it wrong, Repertone Corsi, and I've got a Modus. This piece, I had the handlebars rewrapped and new rims in the front, or a new rim on the front. This is by DT Swiss, and same thing on the rear. And I've got a new set of pedals on it. These are EcuStars. And I think that's about it. So all I had to get done was the handlebar replaced, get this piece replaced, and both of the wheels. And I just got done putting another tube in the rear tire because there was a slow leak in it. And the pedals. I got the pedals replaced. I had those old egg beaters on it. But it should be good to go now. That's all the repairs that I had done to the KHS Flite 800 with the Reynolds 853 frame. Before going over the repairs that I had done to the KHS Elite 800 bicycle, road bike, like I said, I got the handlebars, I got the, I guess that's the head unit, and both the rims replaced and the pedals, and everything seems to be good now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.